Say dada. Say dada. Say mama. If you would say mama, can you imagine? Can you imagine if you could say mama? She would be so happy, Christopher. Christopher, say mama, mama, mama. Mama, mama, mama. Mama, mama, mama. Or dada. Pull yourself up. Say da, 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 da. Say daddy. Say daddy. Big boys say daddy. You don't need to say dada. Say daddy. Mama? Mama or daddy? Which one you want to say, Christopher? Mama or daddy? Good job. Good job. Pull yourself back up. Good job, Christopher. I want to hear you talk again. Christopher, talk. What are you going to say? Christopher, what are you going to say? Mama? Mommy or daddy? Say daddy. Talk to daddy. Christopher, talk to daddy. Yes! Yes! You better talk to daddy. Talk to Aunt Gina. You better get up. You better get up, boy. Talk to Aunt Gina. Say Aunt Gina. Christopher, say Aunt Gina. Aunt Gina. Can you say Aunt Gina? Huh? You better get up. Say Aunt Gina. You are doing awesome one here. And you just barely fit. You just fit. You couldn't be any smaller or you wouldn't fit. Good job pulling yourself up, boy. Good job. You better keep yourself up.